Asingene kuzo ke zemnyama ngenkani. They played AmaZulu just before game Kaizer Chiefs. They won by 3-0. Could have been a very, very big margin. Sabona Mfukeng uthola chance penalty, missed the penalty. There were a lot of chances created kuleya game layer. What did you make of the game?
One, I thought the game it was going to be tough against AmaZulu because AmaZulu have been doing very well. I mean, they were, I think, on the fifth spot or fourth spot, if I'm not mistaken, in the log. And as I'm saying that playing against Orlando Pirates, it's a problem, and they did very well. They fought, but Orlando Pirates, with the quality players that they've got, the way they're playing as a team, you look at the chances that they've created, you look at the chances that they've used. They tell you that they are ready. They are ready for anything that comes their way. And for me, they gave a good attitude, those players, to say, we're going to go. If you have to score 1, 2, or 3, let it be. And that's what they did. Look, Orlando Pirates to beat AmaZulu, for me, it's. I thought, as I said, that it's going to be a tough one. And then that tough one will maybe it will end up being a draw. But sometimes the advantage that you're always going to have as big teams is because you're going to have these individual players that they can create chances, that they can score those chances. And for me, that's what that makes a huge difference in all the teams, because you can have those players, very good players, but if you don't have these players that they've got that individual brilliance, then you'll always struggle sometimes. And for me, Orlando Pirates, they did what they went there for. They got, the bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. You know, when you come back with the 3 points, with 3 goals, your shoulders, both of them will be heavy. You know, because if it's 3 points with 1 goal, it's only one side that one side you can still manage. But now, when it's 3 points this side, and then you've got 3 goals this side, definitely your shoulders, you're gonna bend. You're gonna bend like this, okay, because both shoulders are heavy. And well done to Orlando Pirates, well done to Coach Wadu and his technical team and the boys and everyone of Orlando Pirates to support the boys. This is a time where they need you most. I'm talking about the supporters because of, when you towards the end of that hurdle, you can see that here's the hurdle that I need to jump for me to win. So they need everyone, and they need you supporters to come in numbers to support them. Having that 12 men behind you, knowing that there's this 12 men behind me, you'll always have that courage and confidence to say, I don't want to disappoint these people. They came from far to come and watch me. So I want them, when they drive back home with their families or going back to their families, they must go back happy at all times. So I will say to the supporters, this is the time that you guys need to be behind the boys. They've shown that they can do it. Now, the team needs to move together. As I'm saying, the team needs to move together, meaning Orlando Pirates, technical team, players, and the supporters in one boat.
So we've been having conversations. I want to talk about certain players now.
Yeah.
One of the most exciting players in the league. But we've been having conversations about Mfukeng when he needs to show up. When it's big games, he tends to hide. You'll see him against Obit, you'll see him against Polokwane City, you'll see him against Double Arrows Nannan. The derby is playing this weekend. Mfukeng is on form. Uqeda ukora emalangeni sekashana ama-free kick Mfukeng manje sekakora namaheda manje. How important is Mfukeng for Orlando Pirates heading into the derby, and what does he need to do to avoid lento yakhe yokucasha? If uyacasha kanti usokacashiswa yini?
Look, let me tell you, derby, it's a totally different ball game. I still remember, I've learned this from other legends that they used to say, big players for big games. I'll make another example again. When you watch Ulonduzana Makgopa playing against Chiefs, playing against Sundowns, he's a different player. Altogether, he's passing, he's doing everything right. Sometimes he doesn't even score. But when you give him, maybe you'll give him Skukune or maybe Mazulu, he looks like an ordinary player. So I'm saying this, Kumfukeng, that we know that he's a very good player. We love him. And for me, he's my player of the season. For me, he's my player of the season. And so the derby is always difficult. I did play derby. It's not easy to play derby. It's not easy. You're scared. You think a lot. You want to impress the coach. You want to impress your teammate. You want to impress your supporters. And you end up doing all the wrong things. Because now you're not focusing in your game. You're focusing in saying to people, show them that I can do it. So playing a derby, I can bear with him on that, to say it does happen. It does happen. Not only him alone. A lot of players they played derby. But if you ask them, how many games did you shine in that derby? Maybe out of others, maybe out of 10, maybe can be 1. Others out of 5, nothing. Because of the derby itself, the atmosphere. You've got a different feeling of facing Kaizer Chiefs, and that's not an easy. Look, Kaizer Chiefs, they can play bad. But when you say it's a derby, facing Orlando Pirates, they become a different team. Totally different team. Because another thing is that derby, that's an exposure for the players to go there and display. Show everyone in South Africa, because it's one of the games that I would say in Africa, a lot of countries in Africa, they watch the derby. Even overseas, they do watch the derby. So now it says that everyone now should have that confidence and will to say, I'm going to fight, I'm going to showcase my talent so that people, they can know me, who am I. Because most of the time, we only realize and recognize players that they do well in the derby.
So in derby, evidence Makgopa ahead of Yanela Mbuthuma.
Well, it's up to the coach, because sometimes, that's why I'm saying, when you look at certain things, some players in the derby do well. Some players find them in the derby, they don't do well. So I don't know what will be the coach's plans, but I can still go with Mbuthuma for me. I think Mbuthuma is giving something that no one, maybe a lot of people, they don't see, but I see it in terms of having those opportunities, our midfielders to have those opportunities of scoring goals. So, yeah, I'll stay with Mbuthuma.
Orlando Pirates winning 3-0. They're on top of the log. PSL log ishifana ne-EPL. Yasinalidliwe. Shawa Man City mara 3 points ahead, and the Man City has a game in hand. But winner during the week, says Gwenzakalani. Mamelodi Sundowns are also playing on Wednesday.
Yeah.
They win, they go on top.
Yeah.
Is this the season? So, iyanuka le league lapha Orlando. Iyanuka, siyayifila man. Mara ukuthi manje Sundowns ngoba na into zayo abo Tebza nabangabuya lana bashaya izinto eziright kuzoba nzima. Maybe standards ukuthi bathathe ikef so they can just give away the league. But do you think this is the season for Orlando Pirates? It keeps looking promising and promising and promising. But Sundowns now yourself, yes, Warish.
Mdu, I like what you just said. Should we pray? Because I'm saying this, what I saw over the weekend, what I saw over the weekend, it's going to be tough. It's going to be very, very, very tough for anyone to beat Mamelodi Sundowns. It's going to be very tough. I'm not going to lie to you. I asked the way Because now you looking at Sundowns. You know, if it was maybe another team that is behind a lot of parents now, I would say confirmed the league is ours. Sundowns, they've got 2 games in hand. And with the form that they've got, for me, those 2 points are 6 points. Guys, I don't know whether you understand me. Playing challenging a league with Sundowns, it's a stress on its own, because you want the league with Sundowns that they've got quality players, that they play Champions League. Right now they're on their way to play the final. That is something else. How they're performing, they're players individually, they're players as a group, they're players as a team. It's going to be tough. I think we need to pray that Sundowns can drop some points and then Pirates stay there and then Pirates win the league. My wish, as from here, so it's football wisdom, as so, is that Sundowns, they must win the Champions League. Orlando Pirates must win the league. Yeah.
Should the Orlando Pirates not win a league, where would they have gotten it wrong? When they look back to their season, where can they point out and say, si luzela, si paizela? Because they had it right throughout the season. From start of the season, Beba Sharp, lost 2 games at the start of the season, but at some point, everything fell into place for the Orlando Pirates. And also, I think being knocked out of the CAF came as a blessing in disguise for them, because they got to focus more in the league. Mara, should they not win this one?
There's games where Pirates, they've played draws where they're not supposed to. And when you look at those teams that they played draws against, for me, it was supposed to be a win for Orlando Pirates. And then now, when you look at how Sundowns, they're winning, Sundowns, there's no smaller team, a bigger team. They go full force. They call full force, they put you under pressure, they create those chances, they score. Even if they had to score 1 goal, they do that. But for Orlando Pirates, it's the league was in their hands. Then they played draws. And when you play a draw, you are losing 2 points. So you stay with 1. And then again, what are you going to do now? You need now to pray and hope that against Chiefs maybe beat Sundowns or maybe play a draw with Sundowns. And Richards Bay come to the party, frustrate Sundowns, and then let Sundowns get a point. Then I think in that manner it will help. Other than that, Angboni, I don't think, to be really honest, if I'd be brutally honest, I don't think there's any team that is going to stop Tabes, stop Sundowns, stop Ireland, stop Leon. How are you going to stop those guys? Who can stop them? I'm saying do. I'm a pioneer. Still early to throw the towel. Still early. Don't throw it now. Let's wait until the last 3 games. The last 3 games will determine that who's going to win the league between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Because both teams, they still have to play their games. They still have to play Kaizer Chiefs. They still have to play Amazulu. They still have to play Cocoon. So, but it's not going to be an easy one. It's going to be a very tough one.
Is it fair to say Uguti Kaizer Chiefs could also be a decider? Because they lose against Pirates, they beat the Sundowns. All Sundowns needs now is a draw, and the Pirates are heading a goal difference.
I like sometimes to dream, but some of the things maybe Piggy see dreaming. No, this is not possible. No. We all like to dream. Good, yes, I dream this and that and that. But sometimes when you're dreaming, mele should no. This dream I call I doubt it can beat Orlando Pirates. Yeah, maybe Sundowns, because sometimes with Sundowns things they just happen, and then Chiefs sometimes they do get points at Sundowns, you know. But against Orlando Pirates, I don't think they would get something from Orlando Pirates, and that's why I don't count them with Champions League. I counted them with Confederation Cup. That's where they belong, not to Champions League. Now they belong to Confederation Cup. So yeah, injalo mfithu.
Danko. Hotman, sicela sibakhumbuze labantu ukuthi bangasenda ama question nama comments wabo, and then we'll read them out live, and then uzokwazi ukengage nabo.
Bafethu, asiloko silindile, we're waiting me Mdu and my big boss. So my big boss said I mustn't say his name. I don't know why. So you must also ask that question to say why he's saying I mustn't say his name. Please, Bafethu, subscribe, like, share, and post, and let's engage, Bafethu. It was a very good weekend. No one went home crying, in the big three. So that means everyone is happy. So please, let's engage, Bafethu. We're waiting to hear what you guys are saying. Source wisdom, source football wisdom, and Omni Odo Africa. We'll ask you, Bafethu.